Come with me to see Thailand's version of Dollar Tree called Mr. DIY. So Mr. DIY is a Malaysian-owned company that specializes in selling home goods for very cheap price, like this very cute cat pillow thingy, the largest assortments of plastic buckets and containers I have ever seen, and even things such as toolboxes. And you would not believe me if I say this, they sell power tools here, like real power tools. They also sell shower heads, and they sell toilet bidets to wash your ass with it. And in recent years, they have expanded into gardening, selling like stuff for your garden, and even electronics like blenders, kettles, and fucking air fryers. And I found this keyboard that sounds really good. Listen.